Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm at a rental unit and the tenant has been complaining about the vent not working that well, and I can kind of see that it's pretty dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that out. And they've also complained that the light had stopped working. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check and see what's going on with the light. This has been in here for several years, so I'm sure it's just the bulbs. So let's go ahead and pop that cover off. And yeah, I'm sure it's the bulbs. They kind of look like they've maybe burnt out. Now, here's a little bit of a problem. I'm not going to have this type of bulb, so I'm not going to be able to show you how to replace the bulb, but if this was a new bulb, you're just going to put it up inside there, and you're going to turn it, and it would work. So I'm going to have to order those. So we're going to need a couple bulbs. That's a given right there. So I'm going to just kind of get those out of the way for the moment. Before I pull this down, I'm going to go ahead and take the shop vac, and I'm going to take a paintbrush. I'm going to kind of clean that all up so the dust doesn't fall down on me. We should be able to just grab that. There's nothing here. Some of them have like a screw or a wing nut right there that holds it. This one looks like it just kind of pulls down. And there's going to be a couple of clips up there that you kind of have to negotiate. Same thing on this side. And we're going to go ahead and unplug the light fixture itself. And all it does is just kind of just squeeze the little tab and unplugs. And these little clips are pretty generic right here. You just squeeze those and pop that down. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this all up. Alright, next what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drop that fan down, the whole assembly, and on this particular one there is just, looks like one Phillips screw. Go ahead and take that out. And that should just drop down. Something like that. Okay, so the fan assembly does not come out, but we can get the cover off there enough so we can get up inside there and clean out some more dust. Once you've taken the brush and you've gotten all the dust out as much as you can, what I like to do is reverse the hose on your shop vac. And if you have a shop vac, you should be able to do this. Turn the hose on the opposite side, and then I'll take this and I'll put it up inside the vent. Alright, and put it up there as much as you possibly can. Turn it on and force the air out in the other direction. And hopefully it's going to blow some of the stuff outside. And next, let's just go ahead and put it all back together. Now again, I don't have the bulbs to put back in here, so I'm just going to explain to the tenant that I'll have to pick up some bulbs. I'll plug it back in anyways, just so the wire's not floating around. Then just take those clips, just the way they came out. Clean that lens just a little bit here. We'll get back into that anyways. Alright, put the lens cover back on, and when the new bulbs come in, I'll come back and I'll put those in. But that's basically how you clean a bathroom vent. That's how I do it anyways, and it should work pretty good. And I've already checked outside earlier on, and everything was fine there. So as you had seen, all the dust was inside here. So, well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and see you in the next one.